Hello everyone. So in this video, let's talk about the most important supplements that needs to be taken for inducing sleep, and they are purely natural supplement. The first and foremost is ashwagandha and St. John's wort extract. These two herbs are highly potent adaptogens, which are basically, it helps in managing stress levels, and they also induce sleep very well, and they helps in relaxing or calming down your sympathetic system. So they are extremely important as a supplement to be taken to improve your sleep. Besides this, you also have, we already discussed about the importance of magnesium as a calming mineral, and magnesium has to be taken in the form of magnesium glycinate. That is also very effective in managing your sleep. There is another supplement called as 5-HTP. 5-HTP is basically a precursor for production of serotonin and melatonin. So these are also available in the supplement form, so that also can be considered. And also we can take melatonin on its own as a supplement. The dosage and other things vary based on different individuals, so it needs to be taken with the proper guidance of a doctor. Okay, so this is also another supplement that can be taken. Then we also have something called as P5P. P5P is also basically a chemical, a compound which helps the conversion of amino acid into hormones and neurotransmitters. Okay, so just like what we discussed about the B vitamins. Okay, this also has an action because this is basically the active form of B vitamin, and that also helps in conversion of amino acid into various neurotransmitters and hormones. So that is also very important. GABA and Valium has similar action. It actually helps in, GABA helps in reducing the or it actually just like it helps in reducing the arousal center and also helping to maintain the sleep wake cycle properly, right? So both these Valium and GABA helps in providing that kind of relaxation. And as we know, when we consume alcohol, we also like fall asleep. So alcohol also has a similar action of inducing a transient relaxation. But in the later stage, it can also increase your sugar levels and give you that dip. Okay, whereas GABA and Valium actually just acts as a relaxation agent. And lastly, in Ayurveda, we have always been using something called as valerian root extract, and that also has the similar action of Valium or benzodiazepine. Okay, so these are some of the very important herbs and supplements that are effective in managing your sleep naturally, and this can be taken in combination or based on any prescription by the doctors. So some of these herbs are very these are non-prescriptional or very safe to use, like ashwagandha and St. John's wort are very safe to use, like as long as you don't have any contraindication to it. Yeah, so this is actually the natural method of getting or inducing good night's sleep, so that your metabolic activities and your anabolic activities will be working at the optimum level. Thank you for watching.